Hi children, welcome to Max class, and today we are going to discuss the answer for the questions in PA2 examination. Hope you all did well, but as the question was twisted in many places, you have missed some score. No problem, no need to worry about that. We should be focused on how much we learn even during exams. No need to bother about the marks. Once you grow up, you will make it. Okay children, and it's all a learning process. Even this exam is a learning process. Still you have more to learn. Okay, come on, let's begin that. The first question is, on a number line, when we subtract a positive integer, subtract in the sense minus of plus is a negative, so we have to move towards left, move toward the left. That is the right answer. Here, see here, this is the right answer. Move to the left. The next question is, minus 30 into 20 is equal to, these things are very easy. Minus 600 is your right answer. 30 into 20 is 600. Plus into minus, minus. Then third question is the integer whose product with minus 1 is 0. What should I multiply with minus 1 so that I will get 0? If I multiply with 2, will I be able to get 0? No. So 0 should be multiplied with minus 1 to get the answer. So 0 is the right answer. Is it clear? The next question is, minus 6 divided by minus 3. 6 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Minus minus gets cancelled. So plus 2 is the right answer. All these questions are very simple questions. Okay. Here, if I multiply minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 3 times alone, it will be a minus 1 answer. If I multiply 4 times, I will get plus 1 answer. If I multiply 5 times, I will get minus. 6 times, plus. 7 times, minus. Plus, minus. So, if it is odd number of times, it is negative. Now, 2m plus 1, is it odd or even? If I multiply any number by 2, I will get surely an even number. See, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Everything is an even number. With that even number, if I add 1, what will happen to that number? It will be an odd number. So, multiplying minus 1 odd number of times will give you minus 1 as your answer. Minus 1 is the right answer. The next question is, the value of the variable for which the equation is satisfied. Which satisfies the equation? Which will satisfy? Yes, solution will satisfy the equation. All these things are very simple. Now, when it comes to 7th question, you have to transpose and find the answer. See, here it is. 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. If I transpose this minus 2, it becomes plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. If I transpose this 3, which is in multiplication in the right hand side, it comes to division in the left hand side. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So plus 3 is the right answer here. See, if I click 6 now, it is not right. 3 is the right answer. Okay. The next question is, the equation having 5 as a solution. 5 should be the solution. For which equation you will get 5 as the solution? See, if I transpose this 3 to right hand side, 8 minus 3 you will get. So 8 minus 3 is 5. That is the solution. If I transpose here 1, it becomes 3. 3 divided by 4. No way. So this is the right answer. You have to solve all the equation. Actually, if you are doing step by step, no, you will be solving all these 3. Finally, you will solve this and say this is the answer. But you should be smart during the exam. These exams are to test your smartness. Okay, not only your hard work and sincerity, it tests your smartness more. So, just by looking at it, you should be able to grasp it. See, this 5, if it gets transposed, it becomes 8 and not 5. Okay, now let us move to the next question. The sum of, okay, let me have it in presentation. The sum of two numbers is 60 and their difference is 30. I am giving sum and difference, both I am giving. Okay. if the small number is x, small number is x. So I am going to have another number which is bigger than x. Okay. But if I add both these two, no, that bigger number and smaller number, it will be only 60. So what will happen to that bigger number? Is it possible to have greater than 60? See, I have two numbers. One is x and another number I don't know. But if I add these two, I should get only 60. That another number I said no, I don't know. Will that be greater than 60? Is it possible to have greater than 60? No. If I add itself, it should be only 60. No. How it is possible to have greater than 60? So that another number will be 60 minus x. Okay. Otherwise, think it in the way of difference. They are saying that two numbers difference is 30. So the bigger number will be greater than 30. So it is 30 plus x. Which option is there? 60 minus x is there or 30 plus x is there? Here many of you confused in this question. 30 plus x means here minus 30 is there. It is wrong. So we have only option 60 minus x. Did you understand, children? This is a little tricky question. See, if out of 10 question, only 1 or 2 is tricky. Okay. Now next thing is, here 60 minus x is the right answer. Now the next question is 4x minus 1 has a dash solution. You are not going to simplify itself. Just by looking at it you should know. When plus 1 gets transposed to this side, it becomes plus 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. Will 9 divisible by 4? Because it has to come to division. No, it is in multiplication and right hand side. No, so it is going to be a fraction. And it is not a whole number and not an integer. It is going to be a fraction. The next question is, if a and b are positive, both are positive. So the solution for this equation, ax plus, see, imagine here I have a plus number, plus 2 here, plus 4. If it comes in division, is it possible to have a negative number when both a and b are positive? Surely not. So the answer is positive. The next question is, in triangle, let me have it in PDF, PPT. In triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle A. First, let me read the question completely. No need to worry about all the things. We are going to consider only one thing in this question. So, first let us read the question completely. In triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle A, meeting BC at D. CF is perpendicular to AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Then median of the triangle. So I should worry about only median. I don't need to worry about any other thing. What is the definition of median? It should join the midpoint of the opposite side. Now look at the word midpoint here. Is there any midpoint here? Yes. Where is that midpoint? Which is the midpoint? Yes. E is the midpoint lying on AC. So which is the median? Surely this midpoint will connect to the opposite vertex. So which is the median here? BE is the median. See, you have to look at only this statement. E is the midpoint of AC. But they have given you all other things like AD is the bisector of angle A, CF is perpendicular to AB. Just to confuse you. You should be focused on your own objective. Don't get scattered by all the things that is around you. Your focus should be prompt. Okay. So the answer is BE. Very simple question. B is the right answer. The next question is, in a right angled triangle, the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. Very good. Many of you did this right. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This also many of you did it right. Good. Dash connects the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint. Again midpoint. Median. Very good. Few of you made mistake even in this and I felt very bad. I think you are not watching the videos correctly. You are not watching regularly, not correctly regularly. Okay, so make it happen. So let us move to the next section. Which of the following statement is wrong? So all the other is going to be right. So additive inverse of 8 is minus 8, right? Additive inverse of minus 8 is 8. It is also right. So either your answer should be one among the first and last. When a positive integer and a negative integer are added, not multiplication, added. When we add to addition, what is the mantra that I used to say? Same sign, add, always bigger number sign. Isn't it? But here what are they giving? We always get negative integer. Surely we will give negative integer? No. It can be positive depending upon which number is bigger. So this is the wrong statement. Okay. The next question, which of the following is a true? Here they are asking us to find a true. So what is the value of LHS? Find the value of LHS now. Minus 8 minus 4, minus 12. Minus 8 minus of minus 4, RHS value. Minus of minus will become plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. So compare minus 12 and minus 4, which is smaller and which is bigger. In negative numbers, the integer with the bigger value is smaller number. Isn't it? So minus 12 is smaller than minus 4, is lesser than minus 4. LHS is lesser than RHS. Where is LHS lesser than RHS? Here it is. So second option is the right answer. When we come to the 18th question, it is very simple. 16 should be divided by what to get 16 again? It is 1. Very good. Then next question. Which of the following is the multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity 1. If it is additive identity, it is 0. You have confused between these two. So make it clear, my dear children. Okay. Now the next question here is, while you are writing exam, here you had 5. Okay. But just by looking at it, it's possible to say the property here we have is distributive property. It is being distributed. Okay. The next question is, Felix reported that the coldest day on record for his town was 5 times colder than the yesterday's temperature, minus 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature of the coldest day? They are saying it is 5 times. 5 times minus 4. 5 times minus 4. What is 5 times minus 4? 5 into minus 4. 5 4s are 20. And we have minus sign here now. Plus into minus, minus 20. So the coldest temperature is minus 20. Is it clear? The question looks very bigger. But if you read it slowly and clearly more than once, surely you will be able to answer it. Okay, children, just a multiplication of 5 and minus 4 alone is there in this question. Nothing beyond that. Okay. The next question is, which of the following is the smallest negative integer? Here, many of you clicked minus 1. Really bad, children. Which is smaller? Minus 1 or minus 100? Or 0? Is 0 a negative integer? 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 has no sign. It is neutral. It has no sign. So you cannot have 0 as the smallest negative integer. Which is the smallest negative integer? Minus 100. If I say minus 1000, when I compare minus 100, minus 1000 is smaller. See, look as a sea level. Above sea level, we have positive. Below sea level, negative. Will you say minus 100 is small, little deeper? Then minus 1000 will be much deeper, no? Is it clear? So, the next question is, Joe is playing a game with a regular die. If the number that turns up is even, he will gain. Gain in the sense positive. 5 times the number that comes up. If it is odd, he will lose. Lose in the sense negative.